Hey, what's up you guys? Yes, and welcome back to another vlog. Okay, wait lang. Okay, so I am back. So anyways, as you guys can see that on August 6th, it is school again, and that freaking sucks. So I won't be able to upload weekly now, obviously because of school. So what I wanna do is I would record early and then upload it weekly if I can do it, you know. So I want to have a haul on this video. I don't know. So I have here my stuff, this bag here and this organizer, because if I have no organizer, all my stuff will be all messed up. That sucks. So we have here a bag, and it is a Virgo bag. Okay guys, so here is our stuff currently. It is a lot of stuff and we're still not done. There's my mom still, you know, some things.
You've got nothing to lose, I've got nothing to prove, except to love for someone just like you. You've got skyrise buildings and a place to call your own.
Probably gonna need this stuff. May ang bigat talian mo. Tumigil pa. Me.
Downtown city life complements a closet full of clothes. With the shades and the shoes and your trendy to-dos, you'll hit the sidewalks, the best stores and restaurants, looking for something new.
So, let's open it up and let's see what's inside. So if you open up the zipper here, we have here a marker and some scissors. Yeah, cut you up inside and so yes, and on the next pouch, oh my god, my dad's there. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay. I have so many hands. I'm sorry, Macdo. So let's lay the Coke down here. Macdo, I'm so sorry I did that to you. Oh my god. Yeah, so we have our food. Okay, so let's go and continue the haul. So we have, alright, we have here a stapler. Yeah, and then I have here the staples. And if we open up this zipper, it has seriously nothing. So let's just unzip it again. Alright. So in this one, okay, so I have a correction tape, a pen, and oh my god, and a scotch tape. Okay, so I have here a bunch of freaking notebooks. So we have a math notebook, and then a bunch of regular notebooks. There's my dad, by the way, I'm sorry. Where's my dad? There is. So yes. That's what I have in this freaking sack of crap. Anyways, so moving on, I have here the organizer and whatever. Let's open that up, and as you guys can see, there's a lot of layers. Oh, like seriously a lot. I have here more of the papers, and I also have here a construction paper and some more papers and zip and a frick. Here we go. And moving on, I have here McDonald's and we have there the Coke. So let's put it down here. I have to say this is one crazy vlog, so I'm sorry, but yeah. Okay, so let's it up. I have here Coke. Mukbang. What the? It's so good. So let's see what we have here. Oh my god. Fries. So we have fries. That's good. Oh yeah. We also have we have chicken fillet. Yummers. I will be doing a tip. So if you wanna go eat some French fries, the first thing you wanna do is go and pick a bunch. Wait. Epic fail. Wait. So open up your ketchup. Spill everywhere. This is awkward to do. So go and get your French fries. So oh my god, it's a whole bunch, right? Huh? Yeah. Zip. I'm sorry. What is that noise? That's all that we have for today. So, as you guys know, yeah, of course, I have, this hell of a school this year. So, planning on my next YouTube videos, I will be having a reaction video because, as you guys know, this guy, my idol, will be having a new series on his YouTube channel and I will be reacting to it, and I'm so excited because I've been a big fan since I was 11 years old. Wait, 11 years old? No, 12 years old, I guess. Okay, so I think I'll be ending this video because it's a literal mess. I don't even know what is this video, but yes, it's another vlog. So I think it's, yeah, this one, 22, so whatever. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and this is such a mess, but I mean, hopefully you guys enjoy, and reaction videos, yeah, in the future, and hopefully you guys enjoy that, and hope you guys had fun eating with me. I had fun eating with you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. No. Oh, bye.